एवरीवन, वेलकम टू आवर सीरीज सेल्फ ग्रूमिंग। पिछले 2 एपिसोड में हमने डिस्कस किया था अबाउट फिजिकल हेल्थ एंड मेंटल हेल्थ। नेक्स्ट 2 एपिसोड्स वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग अबाउट फिटनेस, दैट इज एक्सरसाइज एंड डाइट। Exercise and diet are very important to maintain a healthy lifestyle, and healthy lifestyle is important for our happiness and self grooming, in turn a better life. Our topic for discussion today is exercise. एक्सरसाइज का इंपॉर्टेंस हमारी लाइफ में हम सबको पता है, स्टिल हम निग्लेक्ट करते हैं उसे या फिर प्रोक्रास्टिनेट करते हैं। एक्सरसाइज के एंडलेस बेनिफिट्स है, जैसे कि इट रिड्यूसेस द रिस्क ऑफ हार्ट डिजीज, improves our mental health, mood, energy level, it controls our weight, it strengthens our muscles and bones, it manages our blood sugar and insulin level. In fact, कई सारे कैंसर के रिस्क एक्सरसाइज से कम हो सकते हैं। इट इम्प्रूव्स आवर स्लीप एंड सेक्सुअल हेल्थ। देखा जाए एक्सरसाइज के बेनिफिट्स एंडलेस है। द मोर आई स्पीक अबाउट इट, द लेस इट इज। Let's see what our experts want to suggest about it.
Fitness is a state of health and well-being. There are 3 important aspects to fitness: rest, nutrition, and exercise. The rest is important because during rest our body recuperates and repairs itself. 7 to 8 hours of sleep is required, particularly during the night time, for a good recovery of the body. Nutrition planning is very important because you can never outrun a bad diet. You don't think that you can get away with eating anything and exercise next day in the gym. It never works that way. While designing fitness, it is to be seen that it is to be customized for a particular client, and we have to take into account the macros which go into making this diet. These macros are fats, carbohydrates, and proteins, and everybody requires a varying combination of these 3. A good diet is a cornerstone of achieving fitness. Exercise is basically categorized into 2 parts: aerobic exercise and anaerobic exercise. Aerobic exercise, popularly called as cardio, involves running, cycling, swimming, etc. But it is not the only form of exercise which will benefit you, because an important point in achieving fitness is having a good lean muscle mass. The second part, the anaerobic part of the exercise, which we call as resistance training or weight training, which can be done with weights, which can be done with a person's own body weight or bands, is an important aspect because it helps you build lean muscle mass. So one has to have a good combination of cardio and weight training. Weight training holds a lot of importance because as people advance in their age, there is muscle loss, which is called as sarcopenia. And this sarcopenia is responsible for so many problems which are going to occur to a person after the age of 50. Weight training is also very important in women. It's a myth that women cannot do weight training. In fact, it is recommended women do it, and even if they do it with their full enthusiasm, they will never look like muscular and bulky like men. Men have a hormone called testosterone which helps them build up that kind of muscle mass. Women look very fit, toned, and feel great when they do weight training. So I strongly recommend weight training for everybody, and a combination of cardio with weight training in achieving your goals.
So well explained by our expert. Sleep, nutrition and exercise. Nutrition we'll be discussing more in detail in our next episode. Exercise, that is anaerobic and aerobic. We can simplify further in 4 different types, that is endurance, balance, strength and flexibility. It is very important to have a combination of these 4 in our exercise because each one has their own benefits. Try करिए अपनी डेली एक्सरसाइज रूटीन में इन चारों को इनकलकेट करने के लिए. Now it's time for some bonus tips. Try to have warm up of 5 to 15 minutes before the main exercise. It reduces the risk of injuries in muscles and tendons. There is a myth that exercise turns fat into muscles, but muscles and fat are different tissues. You have to burn your energy consumed to reduce the fat, and you have to do strength training to increase the muscle mass. To reduce weight, try to combine high intensity cardio with strength training. It certainly will help. Spot training that is working out of a specific area to reduce the fat of that area, like performing crunches or ab exercise to reduce the belly fat. It's a myth that spot training reduces the fat of the specific area. It is advisable to have a full body workout always. It is a myth that more you sweat, the more you lose fat. In fact, body sweat to cool down and it releases the hydration what is stored inside. It means that it is time for rehydration. Recovery after exercise is very important. 4 easy steps for recovery: water intake, good night's sleep, focus on protein intake, and plan a rest day accordingly. Guys, exercise not only improves physical health but also mental health. To know more, you can check my previous series, Heal Yourself, part on exercise. Yes, exercise reduces stress and also increases immunity. And we all know how important immunity is nowadays. Just 30 minutes a day and 5 times a week. Is it a big deal? Think about it. I'll see you in our next episode that is on diet. Till then, keep shining, keep smiling, take care.